Hello again, this is binaryoptions.com. We are continuing our Binary Options Academy yet again with one of the Bill Williams indicators, as we have here a whole series with trading binary options with the Bill Williams indicators, as the Bill Williams indicators are being offered by any trading platform in this world. I'm talking about, in this case, the J4X platform, but actually any MetaTrader offers the Bill Williams. Under the indicators you can find the Bill Williams indicators, and they are the same. Now it is time now to look at the market facilitation index, and this one is quite an indicator. Now you should click on the indicator there, and then we go with add indicator. And the first category, or the very first category here, as you can see, is represented by the Bill Williams indicators. Now in here we are talking about a lot of indicators, but this time we will discuss the market facilitation index. Now first of all, before anything, it needs to, before putting it on the screen, it needs to be interpreted a bit, in the sense that there are some things to consider. The most important thing is to look at the description. Just look at the description of it. You have the words volume in here, volume. So it is an indicator that is based on volume. With that being said, the most important thing to consider is the fact that volume, when you trade or you do your analysis on a broker or with a broker, volume is represented only by the volume of that specific broker, not the volume as a whole for the whole currency market in here. So it doesn't mean that the volume on one broker is high. It means that that candle is let's say showing all the volume on the currency markets, on the foreign exchange. Wrong. This is why volume related strategies like VSA or based on volume as the indicator are subject to relativity. It may offer a, let's say, relative degree of accuracy, but it definitely is not a high degree of accuracy when you are talking about. However, is market facilitation index useless? Well, I would definitely say no. It should be noted that it has two main inconveniences. Now the first one was the fact that wherever the volume is incorporated, then we should keep in mind that it's not the total volume of this broker. But the second thing to consider is the fact that it repaints. What do I mean it repaints? Here, as you can see, this candle in here is of a different color. It's a brown candle. Now, being a brown candle, and let's say that it will close whatever, it will close here, or let's take the previous candle, it closed here. This level is not going to stay as is, and this is important, because if you want to go back in time to check your strategy, to check what is happening when market goes and forms a specific level on the candle, then you should know that these candles here are repainting back in past based on the data that is happening right here at current level. So this is something to consider. I would say extremely important. Now again, does this mean that the binary options or trading in general cannot be made with the market facilitation index? Well, actually it can be made, and it can be made relatively easy. First of all, we gotta know what these colors here represents, and so if you right click on it and then you go on edit indicator, you see that you have what? You have, with the green color, we have MFI, or the indicator, up, volume up. That is automatically a bullish candle. Then you have MFI, or the market facilitation index, down, volume down, then definitely that is an important candle. Then you have the mixed ones, indicator up, volume down, indicator down, volume up. Well, I guess you already figured the picture. Trying to identify the candles with both volume and the indicator to the upside or to the downside should represent great opportunities into buying call or put options, and let's go and see some examples on the next or on the second part of this project. Stay tuned please here for the second part.